Welcome to Amazing Online Quiz. Our subject is Grade 1 Math. This is a review questions for 3rd preliminary exams. It is a round shape that looks like an O. A. Circle. B. Oval. C. Triangle. D. Rectangle. And the answer is, letter A, circle. A shape with 3 corners and 3 sides. A, circle. B, oval. C, triangle. D, rectangle. And the answer is C, triangle. It is a shape with 4 equal sides. A, square. B, oval. C, triangle. D, rectangle. And the answer is A, square. It has a flat, and a curved surface, pointed towards the top. A, cube. B, sphere. C, cone. D, cylinder. And the answer is C, cone. A perfectly round 3-dimensional shape. A, cone. B, sphere. C, cube. D, cylinder. The answer is B, sphere. Thank you for watching. Please, don't forget to like and subscribe to Amazing Online Quiz. See you in my other videos.